There are about 80,000 barbers in the United States alone, and according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, only 10% of barbers make over 80 grand a year. That's about 5 grand a month. But here's the crazy part. Only the top 1% of barbers actually make over 6 figures in a year. That's less than 800 barbers in the entire country that can make $100,000 or more annually. And I used to be a part of that 99%. I was stuck at about $4,000 a month working 10 to 12 hour shifts. I was cutting hair for $35 per haircut. I just felt like I was in a hamster wheel that I could not get off of. But over the last 2 years, I went from making $4,000 a month as a barber to making over $14K a month just cutting hair. And even this year, I'm only working 3 days a week and I'm on track to beat my records of all previous years. And I'm doing all of this without burning out, without working more hours, or without being in a big city. I'm in a small town with less than 30,000 people. So if you're a barber that's making 4K, 5K, or even 6K a month and you're wondering why you can't go on to the next level, then you need to watch this entire video, because I'm going to be breaking down what separates the top from the 99%. In this video, I'm going to be breaking it down into 3 different sections. Number 1, why 99% of barbers will never make 6 figures in a year, and it's not what you think. And number 2, what the top 1% does differently, their exact systems and mindset shifts. And number 3, the step-by-step blueprint of how I made 6 figures a year annually, and what my students are currently using right now to dominate the industry. And by the end of this video, you're gonna realize that making 6 figures a year as a barber has nothing to do with your skills as a barber. So it's not about being the most talented or who works harder. It's about who works smarter and who actually has the systems in place to make their dreams happen. This is the exact blueprint that took my client Luis from making 5 grand a month to making well over 13K a month in just 30 days. Section 1. Why 99% of barbers will never make 6 figures in a year. All right, let's talk about it. Why won't you make 100K a month? And I'm not gonna say this to discourage you or anything. I'm just telling you this because if you understand the problem, then you know exactly how to fix it. So the first reason why most barbers cannot make over 6 figures a year is because they're commoditized, not prioritized. Most barbers are treating themselves as a commodity. They're competing on price. They're relying on walk-ins. They're hoping that somebody walks through the door. They basically rely on the barbershop that they cut in to give them clients. And when you do that, you have no control over your business. You're at the mercy of your location, your shop owner, the weather, the economy. Basically, you're not building a business, you're working a job. See, the top 1%, they're prioritized. Their clients book weeks in advance. They have recurring appointments. They have systems to bring them recurring clients on autopilot. See, they're not hoping for walk-ins. Matter of fact, they decline the walk-ins because they're so booked. And the second reason why most barbers will never make 6 figures a year is because they're trading their time for money instead of building leverage. Look, there's only so many hours in a day. So if you're charging $30 a cut and you're cutting 10 heads a day, that's a maximum of $300 per day. And if you work 6 days a week, that's $1,800 a week. And that's about $7,200 a month. And that's if you're fully booked, which most barbers aren't. But even if you're fully booked, you're fully maxed out. You can't scale past that price without working more hours in the day. And eventually your body's gonna physically give out. Your wrists are gonna hurt, shoulders, your back. Like, barbering is such a physical job, bro. Like, you literally can't keep this pace up forever. But see, the top 1%, they understand leverage. They charge more per cut so they can work less and make more. They build systems. Content systems, booking systems, client retention systems, so that their business works for them and not the other way around. And the third reason why most barbers cannot make over 6 figures a year is the biggest one, and this is mindset. See, most barbers have limiting beliefs that keep them stuck. They think, oh, I can't charge more, I'm in a small town. Or if I raise my prices, I'm gonna lose all my clients. Or they say, oh, I'm not good enough to charge $100 per cut. And see, those beliefs become self-fulfilling prophecies. So if you don't believe your cuts are worth $100, guaranteed your clients aren't gonna believe that either. And if you don't believe you can make over 6 figures a year, then you won't take the necessary actions to get there. See, the top 1%, they have an abundant mindset, and they only need 160 loyal clients per year to make well over 6 figures. See, they know their worth and they're not afraid to charge that. So yeah, that's why 99% of barbers cannot make over 6 figures a year. They're commoditized, they're trading their time for money, and they have limiting beliefs. And the good thing is that these problems can be fixed. Section 2, what the top 1% does differently. So let's talk about this, because once you understand this, you can start implementing this into your own business. Number one, they build systems, not just skills. Now don't get me wrong, cutting skills actually does matter. But being the best barber in your barbershop does not mean you're gonna make the most money. Shit, I know barbers who can cut circles around me. They do way better fades than me, but they're still stuck at making 4K a month. And that's just because they don't have the right systems in place. See, the top 1% of barbers, we have systems for everything. See, we have content systems that bring us new clients every single week. We have booking systems that keep our calendars full. We have a retention system that keeps our clients coming back every 2 weeks rather than every 5 weeks. And because we have systems, our businesses run whether we're there or we're not. I literally took a 2-week trip to Italy with my girl and my business did not take a hit. Why? Because I have real systems in place. Number two, they leverage social media like it's their top employee. See, most barbers treat social media like it's a hobby. They'll post when they feel like it, and they just post random haircuts with absolutely no strategy. And then they wonder, why am I not getting any clients from this? The top 1%, we treat social media like it's a business. Every video is an advertisement for their haircuts. They post consistently and they post every single day. And they understand how to convert their video views into booked clients. And here's the thing, you don't need to go super viral with millions of views. You just need to be consistent. I've made over $33,000 extra on TikTok this year just by posting consistently and just by having content systems in place. Literally, I can make 5 videos with just 1 client. And then I send them to my editor and then he does all the work. All I have to do is record and post. Easy. And number 3, 6-figure barbers charge premium prices without apologizing for it. See, the top 1% knows their worth. They're not competing on price, we're competing on value. They're delivering an experience that their clients cannot get anywhere else. Number 4, 6-figure barbers track their numbers religiously. See, everything you track always improves. See, the top 1% of barbers know how many clients they have, how many are new, how many are recurring, how many total clients they can take per week, and what their average ticket is, including tip. And because they track their numbers, they can make data-driven decisions. They know exactly when it's okay to raise their prices without taking a huge risk. They know exactly what content is working and they know exactly where their clients are coming from. See, most barbers are flying blind. They have no idea what's actually working and what's not. Every time they post, it's like a gamble and it's not working. And that's why they stay stuck. And number 5, 6-figure barbers invest in themselves. The top 1% doesn't try to figure it out all on their own. They hire mentors, they take courses, they invest in their education, their tools, and their environment. See, I've been cutting hair for about 8 years, and throughout this whole time frame, I've probably invested well over 50 grand in my entire career. I've spent bands on mentors and courses, on building my private studio, on the best top of the line tools, and guess what? My investments have come back well over 10-fold. See, most barbers are way too cheap to actually invest in themselves, and then they wonder, why am I not growing? You can't expect to level up if you're not willing to invest in what it takes to level up. In section 3, the step-by-step blueprint to making 6 figures a year as a barber. I'm about to give you the 6-figure barber blueprint. This is what I've done, and this is what my current clients are currently doing right now to make over 6 figures a year. And this is what you will do too. Step 1, do the math and make it believable. You need 160 unique clients. That's it. See, if you have 160 clients coming in once a month paying $100 every single time, that's well over $192,000 per year. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bro, I don't charge $100 for a cut. That's fine. Start where you're at. If you charge $30 for a haircut, your average price after tips and additional services might be like $40. So if you can get your clients to come in every 3 weeks versus every 4 weeks, that's about $6,800 per year per client. That's only 17 visits per year, 17 haircuts. See, with just 160 clients at that rate, you're making over $108,000 per year. See, you just hit 6 figures without even raising your prices. Now do the math for your situation and make it believable. Because once you see it's possible, you'll start making the correct actions to make it happen. Step number 2, build your content system. You need to be posting every single day. And I'm not just talking about random haircuts. I'm talking about strategic content, tutorials, transformations, consultations, content that actually converts views into booked clients. Hire an editor. All you need to do is record. Your editor does the rest. I literally spend only like an hour on content every single week. And that 1 hour brings me so many new clients every week. And if you don't know how to create content, if you don't know what to post, that's exactly what I teach in my mentorship. I give you the exact templates, the exact strategies, and the exact systems that I use. Step 3, build your client retention system. After every haircut, book your client's next appointment before they even leave the door. Get them on recurring appointments if you can, and if they can. Follow up with your clients that you haven't seen in a while, like, hey, what's going on? How have you been? And track your numbers. Know exactly how many clients you have, how often they're coming in, and what's your retention rate on every new client. Because if you can get every client to just come in one more time per year, that's a huge boost in your income every single year. Step number 4, raise your prices strategically. Once you're 80% booked out, it's time to raise your prices. And don't just raise your prices randomly, raise them strategically. Announce it with gratitude. Let your clients know that you appreciate them and raise your prices $10 to $25 depending on how booked you are and how often your clients are coming in. Now, you will lose some clients and that's okay. These clients that you lose are literally gonna get replaced with new clients who value your work and they trust you. And the best part about this is that your income is gonna go up without you having to work more. I went from cutting 100 heads a week to now cutting only 40 heads a week. And now I'm making even more money. That's leverage, bro. Step 5, invest in yourself. Hire a mentor, buy a course, invest in your environment, invest in your tools, and invest in your education. See, the fastest way to make 6 figures a year as a barber is to learn from someone who's already done it. Do not try to figure it out all on your own. Learn from somebody who's already made the mistakes, who knows what works, and who can teach you the shortcut. So yeah, man, that's the 6-figure barber blueprint. Do the math, build your content systems, build your client retention systems, invest in yourself, hire a mentor, and raise your prices strategically. Now, if you do all of these things, you will hit 6 figures a year, I guarantee you. So to recap, 99% of barbers will never make 6 figures a year. And that's because they're commoditized, not prioritized. They're trading their time for money instead of building leverage. And they have a scarcity mindset. Number 2, the top 1% does things differently. They build systems, they leverage their social media, they track their numbers, they invest in themselves, and they charge premium prices. And number 3, the blueprint to 6 figures a year is simple. Just do the math, build your content systems, build your client retention systems, and raise your prices strategically. And hire a mentor. And once you implement this, you're gonna realize that making 6 figures as a barber per year, it's not a dream. It's not impossible, it's a math problem. And math problems can be solved. Now, if you're serious about making this happen as fast as possible, keep watching. So look, if you're a barber stuck at making 4K, 5K, or 6K a month, and you're tired of working 10 to 12 hour shifts, I need you to understand something. You're not stuck because you lack the skill. You're stuck because you don't have the right mindset and the systems in place to make 6 figures a year happen. I was exactly where you were at 2 years ago. I was making $4,000 a month, working my ass off, and I felt like I was never gonna break through. But once I learned the systems, once I started doing what the top 1% does, and once I shifted my mindset, everything shifted. And now I'm making 14K a month consistently. I'm on track to make 6 figures a year again, and I'm helping other barbers do the exact same thing. See, the 6-figure barber blueprint is specifically designed for those barbers who want to be in the top 1% and not the 99%. See, it's not just another course. It's a one-on-one coaching where I will personally walk you through how to raise your prices without losing clients, how to build retention systems that keep your calendar full, and how to think and act like a 6-figure barber. My client Luis went from making 5K a month to making 13K a month in under 30 days using this exact system. And he's not special, he just followed the system. So if you're serious about this and you're ready to stop making excuses and you want to make over 6 figures a year, tap the link in the description below to get my one-on-one personal coaching. So if you saw any value from this video, leave a like and comment down below what your current income is and what your goal income is so I know exactly where you're at and where you want to go. Thank you for watching.